Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Valentina Gunina and Leticia Alvarado. This is a game from a Chess Olympiad women's section, played in Batumi, Georgia in 2018. Valentina Gunina had white pieces and she started with d4. Leticia Alvarado played knight to f6, knight to f3, e6, c4, bishop to b4 check, white to move, bishop to d2, not knight to c3. If knight to c3 we would have Nimzowitsch defense. Valentina Gunina wanted to play Bogo-Indian defense. Bishop to d2, queen to e7, e3, knight to c6, knight to c3, black to move. Castling is the most played move. Alvarado played b6, white to move. Perhaps bishop to d3 was expected, or maybe bishop to e2. Gunina played d5. E takes on d5, c takes on d5, knight to e5, knight takes knight, queen takes knight, a3 asking a question, black to move, bishop to d6, let's take it back. If bishop takes on c3, then bishop takes on c3, and if queen takes on d5, queen takes on d5, knight takes on d5, bishop takes on g7. Back to our game. After a3 we have bishop to d6. Black queen is ready to deliver checkmate when white castles. Gunina played f4, attacking the queen. Queen to e7, queen to f3, bishop to b7, white to move. What is the best square for the bishop, which is now on f1? Is it e2 or d3 or some other square? What would you do if you have to choose between bishop to e2 and bishop to d3? Gunina played bishop to e2. Let's take it back. If bishop to d3, then c6, and if now e4, then c takes on d5, and white can't play e takes on d5, although e5 is possible. Back to our game. Bishop to e2, c6, e4, bishop to c5, preventing castling kingside, white to move. How would you continue? Valentina Gunina played this awesome move, d6, a pawn sacrifice. Black to move. If queen takes on d6, then e5, and queen to e7 pinning the pawn doesn't work, because the bishop is on e2. Back to our game. We have bishop takes on d6, e5, bishop takes on e5, f takes on e5, queen takes on e5. Material is equal. For a sacrificed bishop, black has 3 pawns. White to move. Gunina castled queenside, and so did Alvarado. Bishop to f4. Material is equal, but white pieces are better placed. Do you agree? Alvarado played queen to f5, g4, queen to a5, g5 attacking the knight. What is the best spot for the knight? Alvarado played c5, creating even a bigger threat. Queen to d3, knight to e8, knight to b5, intending perhaps knight to d6, d6, rook from h to f1. It is now obvious that white pieces are much better placed. Queen to a4, bishop takes on d6, bishop to e4, attacking the queen. What is the best square for the queen? What would you do? Perhaps check comes to mind, but not a random queen move, because of queen to c2 checkmate. Back to our game. Valentina Gunina played this very cool move, And that is, what would you do? White played the move when black resigned. And the move is bishop to g4 check. Black resigned in view of this continuation. King to b7. Rook takes on f7 check. King to c6. Knight takes on a7 check. Queen takes knight. What else? Queen takes on e4 check. King to b5. Bishop to e2 check. King to a5. And that is checkmate in one. Rook takes queen. Check. Mate. Nicely played game by Valentina Gunina. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.